All right, everyone, let's talk about weight loss and fat loss on the scale, because there is a big difference. Now, a lot of people are experiencing when you see your neighbor or your workmate or your spouse lose a lot of weight on a scale. Unfortunately, that's most likely water and oops, a little muscle, and then maybe a little fat. But you don't want to catabolize the amino acids in your muscle, because it makes your immune system go like this, and you guys notice a lot of keto flu symptoms. Now, with that said, you want to lose fat and preserve your lean mass. So don't get confused when you see this before and after nonsense on the internet, because like I've been explaining in my live streams, people hide the truth. They hide the fact that they're going through electrolyte issues, right? Severe headaches. They don't tell anyone about dry eyes and dry mouth and the candida die-off and the freaking crazy hypoglycemia. And sometimes your hair falling out and your reproductive hormones going like this. So how you want to stop that, y'all, is to graduate slowly into a ketogenic protocol and get rid of all the junk. Because you have to consider your current health, your current blood sugar, right? Is it stable? What's your insulin? What's your A1C? Before even starting keto. So you have a base point in this whole thing. It's going to take time before you can actually access fat that your body is willing to let go of to make into ketones and feed the fledgling brain. It's a process. It doesn't take 5 days or 6 weeks. It could take months of diligent work depending on your individual issue. Okay, yes, I will do more of a series explaining how that's done. Otherwise, don't forget to like up the video. If you want more ideas, comment below. I also do a keto course and on Facebook, but you got to sign up through my website. And I also have an Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, or just a normal Facebook, which is called Stephanie the Business Person.